Hey everyone, Leroy here, and I'm super excited to show you this video today because there is kind of this hidden gem, this secret within this website, Traffic Authority, that you're probably not aware of. So stick around and I'm going to show you what that is. But before we get to that, if you like this video or you find it informative, make sure you give it a thumbs up and you hit subscribe, which really helps the channel out, and I appreciate that. Okay, so I don't want to waste a lot of time. I'm not trying to drag this video out to 10 minutes or anything like that, so I'm going to jump right into it. So first thing, I'm going to put this link in the description. So find this link in the description below, click on that. That's your first step. It's going to bring up this page. What you're going to want to do is click here to get started now and create an account. It's free. There's no monthly charge or anything like that. Create a free account, okay? And then after you create the account, what you're going to want to do is come over here to products, which is this little box. Click on the products page, and I'm going to tell you this is the thing that most people don't really, or maybe you don't know about, right? I'm not going to say most people because I don't know most people. I'm kind of just a hermit in my little closet here, office. But maybe you don't know about this, maybe you do, but there's a lot of really cool things in here, and that's the reason why I'm making this video today. So number one, Scalability Pro is a course where a super affiliate goes through and shows you step by step exactly what he does every single day to promote a high ticket affiliate system, and that one costs $1,000. It's worth way more than that, trust me. I know people kind of shy away at $1,000 price point, but there are other programs that I'm not going to name that'll charge you anywhere from $10,000 to even $20,000 for the same quality and level of information that you'll get in that course. Okay, then this is the new one right here, Fastlane Affiliate System. This system, the guy behind it is a #1 earner in several platforms. He made $1 million in the main high ticket program that I promote on my site over the last 14 months. And he takes you behind the scenes and shows you exactly what to do as well, but he goes about marketing a little bit different. He uses a little bit newer techniques and mainly centralizing around social media and stuff. So that doesn't get you excited. I don't know what else does. And the other thing about it is he really kind of wanted to make the price point a little more attractive. So this one, it started out at $297. That was its introductory price, and then it went up to $397, and I believe the final price is $497. Depending on the time you're watching this video, you may still be able to get it at $397. The other thing is, see, today is March 2nd, 2022, and on March 14th, he is actually going to do in-person classes with people and hold their hands, walk them through exactly what to do for 6 weeks in a master class. So if you get this, there's other bonuses included in there as well, but I'm just mainly talking about the face front value. On top of it, when you go into it, you'll see more information. I actually have it so I can kind of give you a little bit of a sneak peek. It's very well laid out. He's got exactly how to go through, how to set your system up, how to have endless prospects and ideas, how to do YouTube videos, how to do what to do when you get leads and sales, recap. There's bonuses, different things that have worked for him for the last 14 months in the different systems where he made over $1 million, in particular one system. Just incredible value in there. So if you get in there, again, I believe it's before the master classes start, then you have a chance of getting in and being a part of the master class, which is also incredible. So I would take advantage of that if you can. And then if you're just here for something free, well, I got you there too. So this Income Accelerator here is free. You can use that. It covers a lot of strategies as well on how to build and grow your business online. If you are new to affiliate marketing, or you're really trying to market anything, I don't care if it's on ClickBank or if you have a product on Etsy or you have any other kind of business that you're trying to promote something online, there's information in here that can be learned that can help you out. And really all of these programs, you can adapt and use the strategies for anything you're trying to sell online, and there's incredible amount of value. This Fastlane system alone, I was able to quadruple my sales in 1 month just going through the first couple of modules, not even the whole system. So anyways, just wanted to share that with you today. So again, to back up the steps, you're going to want to go to this page right here. I'm going to put it in the link in the description. Come over to the products tab right here, and then these are where the products are inside of there. So again, if you found this video informative or helpful in any way, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Have a beautiful day, and thank you for watching this video.